Hello. We get it. A lot of the time, we want to edit something or wish we could tweak something in a story, and that's why we introduced the edit feature. And what this feature offers is if you get a specific caption that you want to change or edit a little bit, you can do it. So here, I've created a story for Melek, but I want to change something in the first two captions. Personally, I think sometimes Once Upon a Time is a little bit overused. So if I want to delete it from the story, all I have to do is click on this pencil icon and edit it right away. So I'll just remove Once Upon a Time and keep it as in a bright and cheery home lived little Melek. And once I'm satisfied with my caption, I'll just go ahead and click on the check sign. And there, my caption will be edited. You can do that with as many captions as you like, so feel free to edit even the entire caption if you want. And don't worry, if a specific caption has been edited, the visuals will reflect the new caption and not the old one. Once you're happy with all of your captions, you can click Create Story Visuals and move on to the next step of the story building process. Hope this is helpful.